to change the game, and I'm on my way to fame. Cause I'm here, I'm ready, about to do my thing. Haters stay from out my lane, I promise I am insane. Cause I'm here now. Live life with no fears, blood, sweat, and more tears. That's what sacrifice is.
What's good, Phone Shaw family? We are back. We are back again on this beautiful Cinco de Mayo weekend. Yes, sir. So you already know we got to get into something fun this weekend. But for now, we just pulled up to the annual Harley Davidson of McKinney car show. We came here last year. It's gonna be this is the first car show of the year so far that we've been to. We got a little dance machine back here with us.
Huh?
Always dancing. But yeah, it's actually turned out to be a good day. It was raining earlier, so I didn't think we were gonna be able to get out here and get any footage, but we're here. So we're gonna take y'all on this little journey, check out some cars. You know that if they got a basketball for what?
They got basketball here.
Girl, you ain't gonna play. You know, if they got food, we definitely gonna be getting some food. Nah, I'm not walking through the grass and mess up my sneakers. Tiptoeing on my Jordans. But anyway,
You know my
yeah.
laces change colors?
You say what?
You know my laces change colors?
Ooh, look at the drip. Got her new birthday shoes on from her Unc Josh.
Hey, cause them LT sees this, you can be like, oh, you doing it again. Yeah.
What you gotta say to him?
To LT?
Yeah.
Cause last time he complained because I posted a picture of my shoes on the thing and he got mad because I put thanks uncle for Josh.
So he thinks you only have one uncle.
Yes.
That's crazy. Coach Cordell, you hear that? She calling you out on the blog, my boy. She feels some type of way, but it's okay. It's
We're
okay.
gonna see next year.
We're gonna see what?
We're gonna see next year.
Oh, okay.
One of my fours that I asked for, he said he was gonna get.
Oh, he busy. He be all right. But anyway, yeah, y'all, we finna walk over to this car show. They make us park a mile away, but it's all good. It's all good.
Folks like them name Chuck Norris, and don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals and no back to. The thugs them we do what them got to, and won't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot to, unless you carry guns and lot to. A dear tough thing come at you when trench town man stop laugh and block off traffic. Then them we learn pop off and them start drop it. We dip in file long and it a beat traffic. Police come in a deep and them can't stop it. Some say them a playboy rabbit. Get dropped like a bad habit. So no bother post up if you don't have it. Just the far I stands alone.
Got all the bikes out.
Jungle, where people are dead and random. Political violence can't done. Their ghosts and phantom. The youth them get blind by stardom. Now the king of kings are called. Old man to pick me. So why would no one if you with me? To see this operation sick me. Them suit up with me. To win election them.
What? Little big head.
Y'all, I'm going back to dark hair soon. Light's not to move anymore.
She knows I want to eat.
I'm trying to eat.
I'm trying to eat. Yeah, give me like a taco or something. Thank you. Black spokes. Whitewash. Definitely a snow cone. Okay, I see you. Texas. House. Got the big Chevy on them big boys.
Go and visit the Marine tent. They got a weapons raffle over there for $10 a ticket.
Let's see what we got.
They will explain a little bit more information for you. We also
That
got
one's-
Henry's Casino.
oh, it's on the side, yeah. The salsa looks
You got
good,
the food
too.
truck over there. You got the
This one, I think
over there,
it's
they take
the
care
same
of you.
thing.
Over at the
Okay.
Vision Chiropractor.
Got your little Mexican code.
That's fire.
Yeah. Should be good.
Smells good.
Ooh, it's hot.
No, I can feel the bottom of the box. And it's wrapped, it's double wrapped too.
My boy brought a Honda to a Harley show. I see.
Ooh, that lime squirted on.
My bad. Y'all know we love these tacos now. Ooh, they hot. Good Lord.
Hold on, wait, I gotta try it too.
Come on.
Alright, let me get my taco. These little limes too.
Hot.
Ooh,
Ooh.
let's try.
They good, y'all.
It's really hot.
Hot.
Let me try with sauce.
That's also good.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all, we finna eat. And then we're gonna get back on these cars and these motorcycles.
Peace.
Ooh, it feels good in here. Check out some of these bikes. Well, a lot of those characters stuff goes have kids. They tell you very quickly.
That's like the surveyor overlay.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna get up out of here. I'm about to end this video. It's getting a little hot. Time to go relax, enjoy Cinco de Mayo weekend. Hey, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Helps the algorithm out, helps me get in front of more people on YouTube. So we definitely trying to run this channel up to 5,000 subscribers now. But yeah, man, we're gonna bring you some more lit content for this week, from this weekend. And yeah, appreciate all the love. I'll see you on the next one.